Ready to run, RTR. RCCars have taken a giant leap forward in 2025, combining cutting-edge speed, precision engineering, and out-of-the-box performance. Whether you're a seasoned hobbyist or a thrill-seeking newcomer, the latest models offer jaw-dropping acceleration, top-tier handling, and durable designs built for racing on-road or conquering off-road terrain. This year's lineup features advanced brushless motors, high-capacity LiPo batteries, and rugged suspensions that let you hit extreme speeds right out of the box. No assembly required. In this guide, we've rounded up the top 15 best Fast RTR RC cars for 2025, spotlighting the fastest, most powerful, and most innovative models dominating the RC world today. Get ready to experience RC racing like never before. Arrma TYPHON Mega 6 6.5 4x4. The Arrma TYPHON Mega 6 6.5 4x4 is a beastly 1:8 scale RTR buggy powered by a high-speed Mega 6 6.5 14 turn-brushed motor with aluminum heatsink and 35mm cooling fan, an 11% upgrade over the previous 550 motor, delivering explosive performance straight out of the box. It features a 3S brushless-ready transmission with maintenance-free overload coupling, full-time four-wheel drive, adjustable oil-filled coilover suspension, and D-Boots 2 HO multi-surface tires. Spectrum SLT 2.4 GHz electronics include a 40-amp waterproof ESC receiver and S661 metal gear servo. The 1/8 scale chassis measures 511 by 306 by 195 millimeters, weighs 2.92 kilograms, and accepts 2 S-LiPo packs. Ready to run, it only requires a battery and charger. Priced around $270, it offers high-end capability and upgrade potential at a competitive value. Traxxas Ultimate Raptor R. The Traxxas Ford Raptor R 4x4. Ultimate is a powerhouse 1/10 scale, brushless RTR short course truck featuring the Valinian 540X, L 2400K, V-motor and VXL-4's ESC, delivering blistering 60+ miles per hour top speed on 4 S-LiPo power. Housed in a licensed Ford Raptor R body with clipless Pro Scale styling and LED lighting, it rides on a rugged modular chassis with anodized aluminum GTR shocks, TIN-coated shafts, upgraded aluminum suspension arms, and max-duty drive shafts. Electronics include TQI 2.4 GHz radio with Traxxas Link app telemetry, a high-torque 2,275 metal gear servo, 347 ounce-inches, full-time four-wheel drive with center diff, and Traxxas stability management. Dimensions: 637 by 289 by 226 millimeters, weight 3.0 kilograms. Priced at $650, it's a premium, ready-to-race beast. LOSI Micro T. The LOSI Micro T 1/28 scale 2S2WD RTR stadium truck delivers surprising performance in a compact package. Inspired by a championship-winning TLR buggy, it rides on a strong, black anodized aluminum chassis with front caster kick and side bends, unique at this micro scale. Adjustable oil-filled shocks provide excellent handling, while the Spectrum SLT 2.4 GHz radio includes a throttle-limiting rookie mode. Powered by a Spectrum 7.4 volts, 350 mAh, 2S lithium polymer, and driven by a LOSI 65T brushed motor, it achieves speeds over 13 miles per hour. The full RTR package includes ESC receiver, USB-C charger, Proline body, wheels, tires, micro servo, tools, and AA batteries. Measuring just 145 by 109 by 53 millimeters and weighing 158 grams, it offers about 25 minutes runtime on a single charge. Priced at $130, it's an affordable, racetrack-ready micro monster. Traxxas Pro Scale Sandcar. The Traxxas Pro Scale Sandcar is a trailblazing 1/8 scale two-wheel drive beast that captures the raw thrill of full-size sandrails. Powered by the Valinian 1200 XL Big Block brushless motor and VXL 8S ESC, it reaches 55 plus miles per hour with dual 4S LiPo packs thanks to rugged high-speed gearing. It features a hefty fiberglass tube frame chassis with polished aluminum arms, GT Max threaded shocks, 129mm front, 181mm rear, and realistic paddle, 7.5 inches, front arrow pattern tires, all sized to match the full-scale Funko replica, measuring 812 by 551 by 498mm and weighing 10 kilograms. Steering is handled by a 450-ounce 2085 XL Metal Gear servo. Braking is a hybrid system with front discs and rear motor brake. Electronics include TQI 2.4 GHz radio with TSM stability control and telemetry support. This RTR powerhouse is priced at $1,300 US. Team Corally Punisher 4. The Team Corally Punisher 4 RTR is a ferocious 1/10 scale, 4-wheel drive, brushless monster truck engineered for rugged off-road performance. At its heart lies the Kuron 725 4-pole, 150 kV motor, and Torox 135 ESC, supporting 2 to 4S LiPo packs, and propelling it to speeds above 80 km per hour, 50 plus miles per hour. Steering precision comes via a CR dash, HV7225 high voltage metal gear servo with 25 kg torque, seamlessly controlled through the compact CT2, S2.4 GHz transmitter, 200 meter range, 50% to 100% power switch. Built tough on an anodized 3mm aluminum chassis with composite braces, 3 sealed diffs, hardened steel drivetrain, and 16mm big bore oil shocks, it's ready for serious bashing. Measuring 515 by 390 by 182mm and weighing 4,000 grams, no battery. This RTR rig arrives without battery or charger. Priced at approximately €460, the Punisher 4 delivers extreme performance and durability straight from the box. Team Corally KAGAMA Limited Edition. The Team Corally KAGAMA XP Limited Edition is a striking 1/8 scale 4-wheel drive brushless monster truck, priced at $890, limited to just 999 individually numbered units. Out of the box, the RTR model includes a robust 7075 gold anodized aluminum chassis, 7075 6mm shock towers, and aluminum gearbox bulkheads, all engineered for extreme durability. Power comes from a Grizzly 945 2100 kV 4-pole motor, paired with the black-cased Torox 185 ESC, 2 to 6S LiPo, delivering blistering performance over use-on-kilometer sat. Steering is handled by an IP67 waterproof OC32 servo, 32 kg torque, while the CT3P programmable FHSS radio ensures precise interference-free control. With a 90mm ground clearance, rugged suspension, and CT3P remote, this elite RTR blend of premium components and design makes the KAGAMA Limited Edition both a high-performance bashing machine and a collector's gem. LOSI 22 S Sprint Car. The LOSI 22 S Sprint Car, RTR, is a 1/10 scale, 2-wheel drive brushless sprint car, priced at US $349.99. Also available in red as a battery and charger, included bundle for $399.99. Straight out of the box, it features a Spectrum SLT 2.4 GHz transmitter, SR215 DSMR receiver, Firma 45, a Smart Light ESC, Firma 3650330 kV brushless motor, and a Spectrum S684 waterproof metal gear servo. Built on a 2.5mm 6061-T6 aluminum chassis with threaded aluminum shocks, steel turnbuckles, dual slipper clutch, and sealed gear diff, it delivers rugged durability. Dimensions include 17-inch length, 9.8-inch width, 12-inch height, approximately 4.95 pounds dry weight, and wheelbase of 10.25 inches with top speeds over 25 miles per hour. Clipless body and cage mounts, removable wings, Hoosier licensed tires, and scale details make this a race-ready sprint car that's both fun and realistic. Arrma TYPHON 223 SBLX. The Arrma TYPHON 223 SBLX RTR is a 1/8 scale four-wheel drive brushless buggy priced at $370 US. Equipped with Spectrum electronics, including an ADA waterproof ESC receiver with dynamic stability control, 3,100 kilovolt brushless motor, SLT3 transmitter, and S662 metal gear waterproof servo. It's ready for 2S or 3S LiPo power. On 2S it hits 35 plus miles per hour. Switch to 3S and it rockets to over 50 miles per hour. The rugged build features a ventilated composite chassis, all-metal diffs, telescopic drive shafts, adjustable oil-filled shocks, strong composite arms, and a clipless body system. With center diff, DS-controlled handling, stone guards, high downforce wing, and ready-to-run simplicity, the TYPHON 223 SBLX delivers thrilling performance and durability for both beginners and experienced bashers. Arrma KRATON 6S EXB RTR. The Arrma KRATON 6S EXB RTR is a 1/8 scale, four-wheel drive brushless speed monster truck priced at approximately $830 US. Ready to bash right out of the box, it features a rugged 3mm 7075-T6 anodized aluminum EXB chassis plat, split tower braces, hard anodized shock towers, bulkheads, bumpers, and steel skid plates. Power comes from a Spectrum Firma 407-42050 kilovolt motor and a Spectrum Firma 150 amp Smart V2 ESC IC5 connector 6S4S compatible, supported by a cooling fan. It includes a Spectrum SLT 3-channel transmitter, SR 315 receiver, and Spectrum S665 20kg waterproof metal gear servo with enhanced servo saver. Suspension consists of plush, adjustable oil-filled shocks and heavy-duty steel drive shafts. With beefy D-boots, Copperhead 2 tires, all-metal diffs, clipless body system, and speeds over 65 miles per hour, this KRATON delivers extreme durability and blistering performance for serious bashers. Traxxas Jato 4x4 VXL. The Traxxas Jato 4x4 VXL RTR is a blisteringly fast 1/8 scale 4WD brushless buggy priced at US $530 in blue or green. Out of the box, it features the powerful Valinian 540XL brushless motor and VXL4's ESC with telemetry and selectable 6.0/7.4 VBSC, enabling speeds over 60 miles per hour on 4-cell LiPo. The ultra-low CG composite tub chassis is reinforced by an aluminum T-bar, extreme HD driveline, sealed steel diffs, and full-time shaft drive for exceptional durability. Precision handling comes from dual bell crank steering with a waterproof 2075 digital servo and aluminum extra-long GTR shocks on ultra-soft Response Pro S1 compound tires. Additional features include a clipless body with high downforce wing, sealed ball bearings, waterproof electronics, and a TQI 2.4 GHz radio system. At 20.4 inches long, 12 inches wide, 7 inches tall, and weighing 5.6 pounds, without battery, the Jato 4x4 VXL is a track-ready beast delivering extreme speed, control, and toughness. Team Corrali SYNCRO. The Team Corrali SYNCRO is an impressive 1/8 scale, two-wheel drive brushless off-road buggy sold RTR for €340 on the official site. It's powered by the Pulse G 135 ESC and a Curon 7252 150 kV4 pole brushless motor capable of running on 3 to 4 S LiPo batteries. Steering is handled by a high torque CRHV 7225HV metal gear servo. The CT2S 2.4 GHz transmitter lets you dial power output between 50 to 100%, ideal for beginners. Built on a rugged 1/8 SYNCRO 4 platform, it features oil-filled 16mm big bore shocks, strong composite shock towers, slipper clutch, steel drivetrain, and optimized 515mm length, 327mm wheelbase, and 3,300 grams weight. It ships ready to run in vivid colors, including red, orange, green, and blue, offering beginner-friendly performance with high durability and fun right out of the box. Traxxas Jato 4x4 BL2S. The Traxxas Jato 4x4 BL-2S is a ready-to-run 1/8 scale shaft-driven four-wheel drive brushless buggy priced at $380 on Traxxas's official remit. It features a waterproof BL-2 SESC paired with a 3300 kV sensorless brushless motor with internal fan offering up to 60% faster acceleration and sustained battery life. Built tough with an extreme heavy-duty kit, it includes T-bar chassis stiffener, reinforced shock towers, max-duty drive shafts, sealed differentials, and slipper clutch. The low CG composite tub chassis with long GTR oil-filled shocks and sledgehammer tires ensures precision handling and track-ready stability. It comes with a TQ 2.4 GHz radio, waterproof digital 2075 servo, dual bell crank steering, and clipless aerodynamic body. Dimensions: 20.4 inches L, 12 inches tracks, 12.6 inches wheelbase, 5.2 pounds weight, without battery. Traxxas BIGFOOT 4x4. The Traxxas BIGFOOT 4x4 BL-2S is a ready-to-race 1/10 scale waterproof four-wheel drive brushless monster truck priced at $380 on Traxxas's official site. Its BL-2S electronic speed control paired with the 3,300 kilovolt brushless motor with integrated cooling fan delivers 40+ mph thrills with faster acceleration and minimal upkeep. The fully licensed Ford F-150 BIGFOOT number 8-inch clipless body rides on a modular composite tub chassis with floor-swallowing 4-inch ground clearance, oil-filled Ultra Shocks, and Terra Groove 2.2-inch pre-glued tires. Extreme heavy-duty components include max-duty drive shafts, sealed diffs, Magnum 272 metal gear transmission, dual bell crank 2075 waterproof servo, slipper clutch, and a wheelie bar. At 20.2 inches L times 13.1 inches W times 8.3 inches H and 5.98 pounds dry, it offers iconic style with rugged performance straight from the box. Arrma Big Rock 223 SBLX. The Arrma Big Rock 223 SBLX is a 1/10 scale, four-wheel drive, brushless monster truck designed for both beginners and experienced RC enthusiasts. Priced at $400, it offers impressive performance and durability. Outfitted with a Spectrum 8-ear 2-in-1 ESC receiver and a 3,100 kilovolt brushless motor, the Big Rock 223 SBLX delivers a top speed of over 50 mph when paired with a 3S LiPo battery. The truck features a robust composite chassis, all-metal gear differentials, and a super tough drivetrain, ensuring resilience during bashing sessions. Its adjustable oil-filled shocks and all-terrain tires provide excellent handling across various surfaces. The included Spectrum SLT3 transmitter offers throttle limiting and dynamic stability control, allowing users to adjust performance as they gain experience. With its scale realism and rugged build, the Big Rock 223 SBLX is a versatile choice for RC enthusiasts seeking both performance and durability.